Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan for the digital channels on your SuperBox decoder. So when you get a hand on the SuperBox decoder and you are to do your connection with your antenna and scan to actually get a stable channels or the signal on your SuperBox decoder. So the first thing that you have to do is to connect the cable from your antenna into the ANT import at the back of your SuperBox decoder. At the back of your decoder, you have two different ports that will be receiving the signal, and we have the LMB imports for the satellite signal and the ANT imports for the digital or the antenna signal. So connect the cable over there, and the next thing is to pick up your remote. Make sure you're having a stable signal. Even if you are not having a stable signal on the antenna, follow the steps, and I'm going to show you a quick way just to get a stable signal with the working channels as well. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you go to the menu, you press on the menu button on your remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and you look for installation. You press OK on the installation. So with the installation, you need to confirm with the default password on your decoder. That's the SuperBox decoder. You have to confirm with the 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 0000 for it to open up. And on the installation page, the menu here, you have different options over here: installation type, antenna settings, satellite, transponder, motor setting. So you come to the installation type, we have the S2, which means that it's on the satellite settings that you are seeing on your screen. So the first setting will be the satellite settings. So I have to change the installation type to T2, and then you press OK on it. So here we have the terrestrial. That's where you're going to need it just to scan or do the settings for your terrestrial channels or the digital or the antenna channels. So on this page we have the auto search, and we have the manual search as well. The country folders over here, the LNC, the antenna, active antenna over there. So all you have to do, if you know a particular frequency that you are trying to get some group of channels from it, all you have to do is to come to the manual search where you can edit or add that particular frequency. So you come to the channel number, we have channel numbers over here that they are attached frequencies. So you select the channel number and we have the frequency that is attached to it. So if this the frequency that you are trying to track from the antenna, all you got to do is to place it on it, or you edit by pressing OK on the frequency, and then you type in, change the figures over here to the frequency whereby you are trying to get those channels from. But in case you don't know any channel frequency by you are trying to do this kind of installation to get those regular channels in your area, all you got to do is to go back to the installation page. That's the T2 page. You come to the country folder, and then you select a country folder. Most of the country folders have a pre-installed frequencies, and most of them are the same. Most are more than others too. So all you got to do is to select a country folder. So those country folders, you can select France, and you can select UK as well. So you put it on UK right here, and the next thing is to perform an auto search. Since you are having a stable signal, or even if you are not having a stable signal, just perform auto search. After the auto search and you're unable to get any channel at all you got to do is to turn the antenna to face a different direction just to perform the auto search once again. So you repeat this 360 wise at that particular level. If you don't get it, you raise it up to another level. If you don't get it, you can bring it down just to check, and then you perform the auto search. Since you are not having any tracker or any idea of the frequency that you're going to get those signal from, so you perform the auto search so you get enough of the channel. So all you got to do is to press OK on the auto search, and then you wait for it to complete scanning. If you are having a stable signal in your location from the antenna, you are likely to get the channels coming up over here where they scan. So the quality of the signal from the antenna will determine the number of channels that you're going to get by performing the auto search. So that's what you have to know about. And after scanning or performing the auto search, the channel that you got, it's not stable. All you have to do is to adjust the antenna a bit, move it a bit from the position, just to check whether the channels will be stable for you to get access to enjoy it right there. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe, like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.